Hi, Ubud comes with a very interesting feature that will enable you to change the color schemes with a few lines of CSS code, codes variables. So as you can see, the theme has different colors, like the button here. This is a brand color, the text color, the border color, and so on for the other dates, and the background here, and so on. So without the old way is that if you want to change the color of, for example, the background, you will have to select the CSS class for the element, and then assign a new color to it, and so on for other page element. But in Ubud, I designed and engineered it to make it much easier to assign just the color code, hex code here, and to some specific variables that comes with the Ubud theme. So these are the codes for the entire theme color scheme. So I will start with the color brand, which is the color here, the dominant color here, as you can see, the red one, and then the text, the primary text for the text here, or the main text color for the post and everything, and then the secondary text which is used for the date, for example, for the input placeholders, and for example, the colors of the photo navigation. The color white is used for the buttons here, and also for some kind of notification that I will try to explain later. The color success is the success colors. For example, if you try to send an email, for example, you will have this color success here. The color are the exact same one, but if you have such an issue here, you will get this like a red color just for the error message. The border color is the color used here for borders and between the postcards, and also for the input outline here. The primary color for the background is the website background color. As you can see, we are using white here. The background secondary color is a secondary color used for the hero section, and for example, the background of the subscribe box. The other variable is the background hero, which is this section here, the background. And the theme is using the same as the background secondary. As you can see, it inherits from the background secondary here. So why I added this new variable, because if you don't want to set or if you want to set a different background for the hero section that is different from here, or if you want to make it like the background color, so you can add a specific color for the background. So that's it, and don't worry if you didn't exactly get what does this mean, because I will provide some ready-made color schemes that you can copy and paste to your website. But let's take an example and see how we can add this to the theme. So this is the default one. We need to copy and paste this code, the default one, into the code injection section for the website. So we'll go to, I'm now in the Ghost admin. I clicked on code injection, and then I am on the site header section. I already have some code, so don't worry about this. So to add the code, just copy and paste it, but make sure to add the style element around, just for the browser to know and to understand this is a CSS code, not just a normal text code. and then save. You will notice that nothing changed because this is already the default color and nothing new. But let's take an example of, for example, if I want to change the background color for the entire website. For example, I will type red and save, click, refresh, and yes, we have the background color to be red. If we want the secondary color to be green, it will move this color to green. Of course, these are not very good colors to use on your website, but just for illustration purposes. Suppose if you want to use a different or a unique color here for the hero section, instead of green, I will say, for example, 000 to be black. Yeah, so I use the black color here, and this stays the same. So if I want to make it as a background color primary, I will just remove this here. Make it like the second, inherit from the secondary instead of primary instead of the secondary. So click refresh, I have the same color in here and here. So that's exactly what you can do to update the color schemes. So it really depends. There's no limitation for colors. Just if you have any colors that you can use, you can play around and change them here. And also I provided a wide range of different color schemes, like the dark one here, this one here, and this one here, this one, and a lot of more colors that you can just copy and paste, and you will have a different and complete layout style. So if you want to take the dark one, just copy and paste it, and click refresh. And yes, we have a new color scheme that will apply to the whole website. The membership will be affected, the archive, the about, and everything. And yes, so also this will be applied to any layout style for the homepage. As you know, that the theme comes with a different layout for the homepage. So let's take an example and change the layout from the roads file of the theme I have here. It's already using the theme or the home template. We can change it, for example, to the circle, and we will go to the Ubud theme and upload the routes file again. By the way, I already made a video about changing the layout of the homepage, and I explained all of these stuff. So please go to this section for the homepage styles and you will find it. So I already uploaded the file, go to the page, and yes, I have the same color scheme for a different color. So let's get back and change it back to the default one, and routes file. Yes. Okay, so let's take another example, this one, Monza, for example, and change it here, save, and go to the website. You will see that it's completely changed. So yeah, with a few changes to the color schemes, you can change the website colors as you like, and you can choose from the ones I provided, and you can create your own. And just make sure that the color schemes are accessible for and have the right contrast for the readers to read. This will improve the readability of the text and make your website more accessible. So I have listed some websites and tools here that you can use if you need some inspiration for some websites. So that's it. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you. Bye. Thank you.